Hey everyone, quick fix today, auto high beam warning stays on, or flashes, no scanner needed. Let's fix it. Most of the time, this issue comes from three things: a dirty or blocked sensor, a small software glitch, or a simple wiring problem. So before you visit the dealer, try these easy DIY steps. First, try the reset. Put the car in park. Turn the ignition on. Pull the high beam stalk toward you, and hold it, for about 40 seconds. Keep holding, until the indicator light flashes. Then turn auto high beam back on in your settings. This reset alone fixes the problem for many vehicles. Next, open your lighting or driver assist menu. Make sure auto high beam is enabled. Some cars let you adjust the sensitivity. If the feature was turned off by accident, this brings it back immediately. If you manually flashed the high beams, the system might shut itself off. Just repeat the reset from step 1, and auto high beam should reactivate. In heavy rain, fog, or snow, the system may turn itself off. This is normal. When visibility is bad, auto high beam won't activate. Use manual low beams until conditions improve. Now, check the sensor. It's usually on the windshield, behind the rearview mirror. Make sure the glass is clean, inside and outside. A dirty or blocked sensor is one of the most common causes. If you're comfortable, take a quick look at the wiring near the sensor or the headlights. Look for loose connectors, corrosion, or moisture. Don't pull on anything, just inspect visually. If this started after a software update, your vehicle may need another update. Some cars develop small glitches, and a dealer can reprogram the system. But only if the earlier steps don't fix it. See a professional if the warning stays on after all these steps. You see more warning lights on the dash. The sensor looks damaged, or you suspect a wiring problem. In those cases, the system may need calibration. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe. And drop your car's make and model in the comments. I'll tell you the exact steps for your specific vehicle. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.